Here we see the next bit is the sex-linked inheritance. Sex-linked genes which are located on non-homologous region of sex chromosome. Which are the sex chromosome? X chromosome and Y chromosome are the sex chromosome. These two regions below the centrosome, these two regions of X and Y chromosomes are called as homologous regions. Why called as homologous region? These two regions have similar genes, so called as homologous regions, and these two regions have dissimilar genes, so called as non-homologous regions. These sex-linked genes are located on non-homologous region of sex chromosome, means X and Y chromosome. These genes control characters called as sex-linked characters or traits. These sex-linked genes control, express characters called as X-linked or sex-linked characters. These sex-linked characters, passing or transmission of these characters or traits from parent to offspring. Inheritance of this character from parents to offspring along with the sex chromosome called as sex-linked inheritance. This sex-linked inheritance are of two types. These genes are of two types: X-linked genes and Y-linked genes. X-linked genes are also called as sex-linked genes. These X-linked genes are located on non-homologous region of X chromosome. When female, these sex-linked genes are recessive genes. These are the recessive genes, and they are present on X chromosome. When there is a female, female means having two X chromosome, X, and male having one X and another is Y. Female having two recessive genes, two recessive sex-linked gene is necessary, is required for expression of this sex-linked trait or disease. This character when expressed, when both sex chromosome, both having recessive gene for this called as sex-linked gene or X-linked gene, when these both are recessive, then female is suffered from this disease. But males, there is only one X chromosome. Its allele is absent on Y because these two regions are having dissimilar genes. So genes which are present on X, not its allele absent on Y. So this recessive gene, X-linked recessive gene, is present on non-homologous region of X chromosome only, not on Y. So allele is absent. This single recessive gene in male, only one recessive gene; in female, two recessive gene required for disease, and this only single recessive gene express this disorder in the males. So males are more sufferer by this disorder or sex-linked traits than that of female. What is the example of this X-linked trait or characters? The examples are color blindness, hemophilia, myopia, nearsightedness, then the muscular dystrophy. These are the number of X-linked traits. Then what is Y-linked genes? Y-linked genes are located on non-homologous region of Y chromosome. Its allele is not present on X. It is only present on Y chromosome. Example, hypertrichosis. What is hypertrichosis? Excessive hair growth on external ear pinna. This is found only in male because Y chromosome found only in males. So this character Y-linked trait is found only in males. This excessive hair growth on pinna, this hypertrichosis, found in males. How it inherited? From father to son. It is a direct inheritance because Y chromosome in son with this Y linked gene, then son also suffered by this hypertrichosis. Means this character passing from father to son directly. There is no skip of generation, nothing. It is directly passed from father to son. Then we will see the example of this sex linked trait is a color blindness. What is color blindness? It is X-linked recessive disorder. It is one type of X-linked recessive disorder because it is caused by X-linked recessive gene, so called as X-linked recessive disorder. This is caused by this XC, means recessive sex-linked gene. This person which is color blindness having this gene which not or it prevent the formation of color sensitive cell on the or the cones on retina of eye. There is no formation of cone cells in the retina because of this recessive gene. So they are color blindness. When homozygous recessive condition means female having both recessive gene called as homozygous recessive condition. Male having single recessive gene called as hemizygous recessive condition. Means for in female when there is a homozygous recessive condition, then she is color blind. But in male hemizygous, only one gene, one recessive gene can express this character color blindness because its allele is not present on Y chromosome. This X capital C means dominant gene. This small c means recessive gene. This X capital C means dominant gene. For formation of cone cells, color sensitive cells on retina of eye, this dominant gene required for formation of color sensitive cell, cone cells on retina of eye. म्हणजे या डॉमिनंट जीन असेल तेव्हाच आपल्या रेटिनावर कोन सेल्स, कलर सेन्सिटिव्ह सेल्स तयार होतात. जर ही कंडिशन असेल, दोन्ही रेसेसिव्ह आहेत आणि मेल मध्ये एक रेसेसिव्ह जीन आहे, या दोघांमध्येही कलर सेन्सिटिव्ह सेल्स तयार होणार नाही. दे आर कलर ब्लाइंड. व्हॉट इज कलर ब्लाइंड? द पर्सन विथ दीज टू जीनोटाइप did not distinguish between red and green color. Both appear as a gray. लाल आणि हिरव्या मधला फरक कळत नाही, दोन्ही कसे दिसतात? ग्रे. This is called as color blindness. The person with genotype X small c and person with X small c y, these both genotype person did not distinguish between red and green color. Both appear as a gray. Then we see the example of inheritance, how this character or trait is inherited. First cross, the marriage between color-blind male and normal female. Before it, we see this genotypes. Capital C means dominant gene, small c means recessive gene. Male X capital CY means normal. X small cy means color blind. Male are not carrier because Y does not have this allele. Female X capital C means dominant gene, they are normal. X small c color blind. X capital C, X small c heterozygous, one having dominant, one having recessive. These females are called as carrier females. They are physically normal, phenotypically normal, but they carry gene, so called as carrier. They carry gene but phenotypically express normal, means they distinguish color easily, but they carry the genes, so called as carrier females. Here the first cross, the marriage between color blind male with the normal female. Colorblind male, X small cy, normal female, X capital C, X capital C. When meiosis, two gametes, this X small c, X capital C, then this is fused with second gamete, X capital C, X small c. These are the carrier daughters. दोन्ही कशा आहेत त्या carrier daughters. X capital CY, X capital CY, normal males, both are normal. Means when marriage between colorblind male and normal female, all offspring having normal vision. Male with normal vision, right? They are normal. Male with normal vision. Female are carrier, but they having normal vision because one gene is present, another gene is present. One gene is recessive, another gene is dominant. This dominant gene suppress this character. Suppress means dabunta. This dominant gene suppress this color blindness. This dominant gene suppress this color blindness. So, female having normal vision. This is called as carrier female. Then second cross. When this carrier daughter or carrier female married with normal male. These are the gametes. When this fuse with this gamete, X capital C, X capital C, means normal female. This fuses with this X capital C, Y, normal male. X capital C, X small c, carrier female. And when this fuses with this X small cy, this is the color blind male, right? When carrier daughter married with normal male, means having normal vision, then all daughters having normal vision because this is the normal daughter having normal vision, and this is carrier daughter but having normal vision, means all daughters having normal vision. And half of the son, this half of the son, 2 out of 2, half of the son is normal and half of the son is color blind, means 25% normal, 25% color blind, 25% normal female, 25% carrier female. And here 50-50%, 50% carrier, 50% normal. The chances of offspring. Here 25% is the chances. Means this color blind male is the grandson of this color blind male. Means this character, color blindness, transmit from father to his grandson via daughter, or through the daughter, called as criss-cross inheritance. Transmission of this recessive trait, color blindness, from father, color blind father, to his grandson through his daughter, called as criss-cross inheritance. Here, the second example of X-linked trait is hemophilia, or it is also called as bleeder's disease. Hemophilia, it is one type of X-linked recessive disorder like color blindness. Color blindness is also X-linked recessive disorder. Here, in this hemophilia, blood fails to clot or clots very slowly. असा जो पर्सन आहे हेमोफिलिक पर्सन, त्याच्यामध्ये त्याचं आपण इंजुरी झाली त्याला तर त्याचं ब्लड क्लॉटच होत नाही किंवा खूप उशिरा क्लॉट होतं. आपल्याला बघा थोडं खर्चाटला इंजुरी झाली तर थोड्या वेळ येतं ब्लड, पण थोड्या वेळाने यायचं बंद होऊन जातं कारण तिकडे क्लॉटिंग होतं. असे या पर्सन मध्ये ब्लड क्लॉटिंगच होणार नाही किंवा खूप स्लोली होईल. ब्लड फेल्स टू क्लॉट और क्लॉट्स व्हेरी स्लोली, कॉल्ड ॲज हिमोफिलिया. द जीन फॉर नॉर्मल क्लॉटिंग, त्यांच्यामध्ये नॉर्मल क्लॉटिंग होतं, त्यांच्यामध्ये जीन्स कसा असतो तर डॉमिनंट, आणि कसा एक्सप्रेस होतो तो एक्स कॅपिटल एच. जसं तिकडे आपण नॉर्मल विजनसाठी एक्स कॅपिटल सी वापरत होतो, तसे इथे नॉर्मल क्लॉटिंगसाठी एक्स कॅपिटल एच. फॉर recessive gene X small h, and this recessive gene for hemophilia, what happen when this recessive gene is present? There is a deficient in clotting factor 8th and 9th in blood. म्हणजे हे जे दोन फॅक्टर आहे 8th आणि 9th क्लॉटिंग फॅक्टर हे तयारच होत नाही या माणसामध्ये ज्याच्यामध्ये हा रेसेसिव्ह जीन असेल. हे क्लॉटिंग फॅक्टर नसल्यामुळे ब्लड क्लॉट होणार नाही, म्हणून ही डिसऑर्डर होते. थोडीशी जरी इंजुरी झाली या पर्सनला, मायनर इंजुरी कॉज कंटिन्युअस ब्लिडिंग, थोडं त्याला पिन टोचले, खरचटलं, थोडं काही जरी झालं त्याला तर कंटिन्युअस ब्लिडिंग होते. सो दिस disorder is also called as bleeder's disease. This bleeder's disease or hemophilia and color blindness both are more frequently found in males than that of female. Why it is more frequently found in males? Because male having only one X chromosome, female having two X chromosome. When one is dominant, another is recessive. This recessive gene suppressed by this dominant gene, means this female having gene but they having normal clotting of blood. This dominant gene suppress this character. When there is both genes are recessive, then female is hemophilic, and this condition is rare. So this disorder rarely found in females. But in male, only one X chromosome, and when there is a dominant gene, males having normal clotting of blood. When there is a recessive gene, the male is hemophilic. There is no another gene which is present on Y chromosome. Allele is absent on Y chromosome. याचं Y chromosome वर allele आहे का, याच्यासारखं जीन आहे का, इकडे नाहीये. म्हणून मेल्स मध्ये एकच एक्स क्रोमोझोम असल्यामुळे हे कॅरेक्टर जास्त एक्स लिंक्ड ट्रेट्स, त्याचे हे दोन एक्झाम्पल कलर ब्लाइंडनेस आणि हिमोफिलिया, both are more frequently found in males than that of females. These are the genotypes. This is the normal male X capital HY, hemophilic male X small hy, no carrier male X capital H means normal female, X small h, both are recessive, then hemophilic. When one is dominant, X capital H, X small h, one is recessive, then it is carrier but having normal clotting of blood. Here, this hemophilia also inherited by crisscross way, like the color blindness. It is inheritance is crisscross type. It is explained by these two examples. First cross, hemophilic male married with normal female. Hemophilic male married with female having normal clotting of blood. Means hemophilic male, this X small h, and female X capital H, normal. These are the gametes. When this fuses, X small h fuses with XH, this again fuses with this XH, X capital H, X small h, these are the carrier daughters. And this Y fuses with XH, and this Y fuses with this XH. XHY, these are the normal sons, means sons having normal clotting of blood. This carrier female, this cross-like color blindness, same. When this hemophilic male married with normal female, all offspring having normal clotting of blood. Daughters are carrier, but they having normal clotting of blood. Sons are normal and daughters are carrier but normal, having normal clotting of blood. These carrier daughter when married with normal male, X capital H and X small h, X capital H Y normal male. Then these are the gametes. This X capital H normal female, X capital H Y normal male, X small h, X capital H carrier female, X small h Y. This is the hemophilic male. This small h. This is the hemophilic male. Means this hemophilic male transmit this character hemophilia from father to grandson to his grandson via or through daughter. Transmission of hemophilia from father to his grandson via or through his daughter called as criss-cross inheritance. म्हणजे आजोबाकडून नातवाला जाणे, मुलीच्या मुलाला जाणे, मुलीकडून तिच्या मुलाला जाणे, याला म्हणतात criss-cross inheritance. This is same as the color blindness, both having criss-cross inheritance. Here questions काय विचारले जातात, हा क्वेश्चन खूप वेळेस येतो. These characters are more frequently found in males than that of female. किंवा मग एक क्रॉस विचारलं जातं एवढं, this married with this, what are the offspring? This married with this, what are the offspring? किंवा these are the offspring, what are the parents? असं क्वेश्चन विचारलं जाईल. 2 मार्काला, 3 मार्काला किंवा 4 मार्काला हे पूर्ण क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटन्स विचारलं जाऊ शकतं. कलर ब्लाइंडनेस किंवा हिमोफिलिया या दोन्हीवर पण हे एक क्रॉस किंवा दोन्ही क्रॉस विचारले जाऊ शकते. इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर एक्झाम. डू exercise and study. Thank you.